All right, good morning everyone. Today is Monday, November 9th, and we're going to take a look at what you need to be working on this week for merit. So you are here already on the dashboard watching the video. So clicking into assignments here, you'll see some new things this week, and so let's go through them and see what's going on. So the first thing is this expressions SLO completion grade only due Wednesday. So this is probably going to be fairly difficult for you, and that's okay. It's not for a grade. So if you finish it, you automatically get a 20 out of 20. What this is doing, this SLO, we're going to take it now at the beginning before we learn about expressions, just to see where we are. And then at the end, once we've taken about a month or so to learn it, then we'll take this again, and then hopefully it'll be a nice showing of how much we've grown. I did really poorly on it when I took it the first time because I didn't know it, and then we learned it and I did much better on it. So don't stress about this. This is supposed to be very hard. Just give it your best effort. If you really have no idea, give it educated guess. That's totally fine. But just wrap that up as best you can. And then moving on, these are actually things that we're going to learn about in the notes and start looking at. So these are things that will be for grades. A little 8-point assignment on evaluating expressions and an 8-point assignment on simplifying expressions. So you can see with the rocket ships, these three are on Canvas. So these are just right here to do in Canvas about the notes. So when you go into modules, or if you came to class Monday, you have those notes on evaluate and simplify, and so just working on getting that done by Wednesday at the start of the week. And then you'll notice Edgenuity, we're just starting with the first two sections, so the exact same topics there, writing and evaluating expressions. That's going to be due Wednesday, so you have the first 2 days of the week to work on that section. And then after that, using properties to simplify expressions, that's going to be due on Friday. So a good chunk of work this week. This one shouldn't take too terribly long because it's going to be difficult and it's going to be okay to guess there. These two are only 8 questions each, so again, you could knock those out in just today. And then Edgenuity, these are going to be about 2 hours each, so an hour each day, Monday, Tuesday, an hour each day, Thursday, Friday. So you know about what it takes to get this done, but there is a good chunk of work this week. Okay, so don't forget. So there's the assignments. Looking into modules here. Here is your next set of notes that's on all of those topics: write, evaluate, and simplify expressions. So clicking in here, if you came to class, you would have seen some of this, but you may need to finish up your notes here. That is fine. Go ahead and finish that up and then use those notes on completing assignments in Edgenuity. So good luck. If you have any questions, let us know. Come to your small groups. You can message me in the inbox, and good luck.